how can I make money? I mean, a lot of money. You know, this weird thing coming up in my, I can't sleep. I try to sleep. The income, the pressure of everyone trying to meet the needs. I was worried. But I want to show you the process. I want to show you now. And those things that distract you, I want to show it to you. Stay tuned. Welcome to Engineer P.A.J's TV, where we talk about money. There was a time I could not even afford to buy water to drink. I had to take from the tap. And the water wasn't clean. But there were times like that where to eat was a problem. But today, that is no more my problem anymore. But I want to show you your goals. And I want to show you what can hinder you from achieving it. And what will make you achieve. There's a wall in between. And in between this wall, if you can conquer those walls, you will cross it. But I have to also tell you that I'm also in the process. I'm in the same process like you. So I'm also fighting it. I have not gotten there, but I will definitely get there. Because now I know the information and I know what to do. I also want you to fight it. You can also fight it with me. Now this is it. This is you. Okay? Now, you are in a journey for money. Okay? Now, to get this money, this is the journey. Are you getting me? Now, watch it. This money will lead to your dream. Now, this is the end point. That thing you always wish for. But there's a problem. This is the problem here, the journey. Here is the problem. This is where you are at this moment. The journey. This place is where I am as well. But there is something that takes that deprives us. In this journey we have time. Now, this time is either is going towards where the money is, or is drawing you back to you yourself. Now, at this part, there's a problem here. And I can also tell you, because this part is what they call a distraction. And this is where they call the focus. Now, what distracts you? I can tell you, distraction takes you back to yourself, not to the place you have already seen where you want to become. Now, because the distraction can come from your social media. It can come from, distraction can come from where you watch. You know, you can spend like 1 hour, 2 hours, you're watching nothing. Take away your time. You're watching timelines, you're watching people's comedy and so on. And you want to do something, but you want to quickly watch just one video. Just one skit. One skit takes away all your day. Distraction towards the journey. You're not meeting up to the time. There is no focus. So it's taking you back. Hey, should I tell you another truth? I'm also involved to fight it. Okay, but I want to tell you about the journey. Because the journey will attract money. But in this journey, there's a lot as well. You have to conquer some people. You have to conquer family. In this journey, you have to conquer doubt. In this journey, there must be creativity. You see, the journey is what will give the money. And the money, because of the process, the money can create the dream. All money is not money. The money that will create the dream. The money is the same thing as the value. The value is what attracts the money. The value brings the money. The money, the value is the dream. But there is thing I want you to understand here. The reason now is this. Because a lot of people are looking for what to do. They don't know what to do. A lot of people are looking for, okay, who can direct me or who will guide me to achieve this? Okay, now I know this. But where will I start from? How can I start? The process is the journey. And the process is where you will encounter the creativity, the doubt, the family, and criticism, and friends. But the truth is, if you can forget these people, apart from this, if you can forget these people and just focus on the process with creativity, you will definitely land to your dream. This is where I want you to think. This is you now. You are entering. You are in a journey, which is a process to make the money. Now, this money, look at what investment do I have? Or where do I want to channel my energy to? The energy and the time will work together and then kill the distraction. So where do I want to channel my energy to and kill the distraction? Then the distraction, when I talk about when you're watching things that is not valuable to you. I mean, you're watching TikTok that is not gonna be a blessing to you. You're watching something that are distracting you from the things you're supposed to do. You know, trying to beat time. You say, okay, let me watch just one TikTok. Let me watch one reels. Let me watch one comedy from just 1 to 2, 3. You end up in 3 hours. You're just watching, and you're all day. You could not even give an account of the things you did in just a day. What happened? Your time, distraction is taking you back to where you came from, not leading you to your dream because there is no focus. Sometimes you need to cut off many things. Let your eyes seize the goal you're looking for. Let your eyes see that thing you are looking for. There's a school that is about to happen, and it's going to be so interesting. So I just want you to know that you can achieve this if only you are ready for the journey and kill this. If only you are ready for the journey and forget this. If only you are ready for the journey, forget this. If only you are ready for the journey, forget this. You know, have this is the process. This will lead you to the creativity and it will lead you to your dream. But this process, at the level of the value you give, this thing will become you. That dream, you want to be known. You want to be good. You want to be celebrated. You want to get to that goal you're looking for. This is you. Now, you can be here. Look at the investment you're doing. Look at the value you are giving. And this is all we're going to take for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my Instagram, and you get more of me. And you will learn a lot about it. I hope you enjoyed this. I bring you a friend, P.A.J, and God bless you.